Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has remained range-bound over the last 24 hours. Not surprising, given it is the weekend. Volume dries up on Saturdays and Sundays, and historically this period shows the lowest volatility across the board in my FBMS indicator. According to Flash Back Market Stats, the average weekend move shows only a 1.35% upside and a 1.02% downside. That makes the weekend a time for caution and observation, not reckless entries. The key development today is not on the chart, but inside the Bitcoin network itself. The mining difficulty just increased by 6.81%. This is the sharpest upward adjustment since the halving and marks a new all-time high for difficulty. A rise in mining difficulty means more computing power was recently added to the network. In other words, more miners are joining or existing miners are deploying better hardware. This secures the network but also intensifies the arms race between miners. This adjustment keeps the average block production time near 10 minutes, but it tightens the margins for miners. Unless Bitcoin's price starts climbing, lower efficiency operations may begin shutting down. So in a way, this is a bullish pressure cooker. It signals confidence. If miners invest more hash power, even with lower rewards post-halving, they are not speculating short-term. They are positioning for future growth, and that conviction often precedes price action. As for liquidations, the 3-day heat map shows a key liquidity magnet at 84.8K. It is sitting near the top of our short-term range. This zone is loaded with potential for a stop hunt or breakout trap before the next real move. If price reaches up there with low volume, it could fake out and retrace. But if traditional markets open green Monday and bring momentum, Bitcoin may reclaim that level and aim higher. For now, we wait for the real signal. That is all for today. I will keep you updated with the next major shift. If you want to follow my thoughts, entries, and exits in real time, the Discord is free to join. Click the like button if this gave you value. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next update. And see you in the next one.